Meet James Carter, a 35-year-old warehouse worker from Columbus, Ohio. A year ago, James was stuck in a rut. His bank account was bleeding from $50 a month supplement subscriptions that did nothing but empty his wallet. Then, last March, everything hit rock bottom. James laughed it off at first. How could something so simple fix his mess? But with nothing to lose, he tried it. Day one, he felt a spark. His head felt clearer, like waking up after a long nap. He kept going, and within a week, the fog lifted. He got a final warning at work after another costly mistake. That night, staring at his $12.47 bank balance, he knew he had to change or lose everything. His job was grueling, 12-hour shifts, constant fatigue, and a mind so foggy he could barely think straight. He'd forget orders, mix up shipments, and once even lost a $3,000 inventory batch because his brain just couldn't keep up. At home, things were worse. He missed his daughter's 8th birthday because he forgot to request the day off. James felt like he was failing everyone, including himself. If you're tired of brain fog, missed chances, and feeling stuck, this could be your game changer. Click the link below to watch a quick video and see how it works. Don't wait, your breakthrough is just seconds away. He tried coffee, energy drinks, even meditation, apps nothing stuck. A coworker, seeing James struggle, shared a secret, a 7-second brain trick he swore by. Then the wins started piling up. Now, James is a new man. He's present for his daughter coaching her soccer team and never missing a game. He's got savings, confidence, and a promotion on the horizon. This trick didn't just save my job, he says. It saved my life. James isn't alone. Thousands are using this same method to turn their lives around.